And at one point, after a number of years of doing this, I started questioning some of their doctrines. And the leader of this group, who claimed there was no leader because we're all just individuals doing the same thing, but he was definitely the leader. And if you didn't agree with him, you were out. And so I did disagree with him one time because he was twisting definitions of words to justify his doctrine. And I just pointed that out. It was like, I'm not fighting with you about the doctrine, even though I disagree with you that too. But what I'm going to disagree with, as you have always told us, that all of the lexicons and things that people who wrote those biblical lexicon books don't have a bone to pick because these are just academics. They're not there to give one doctrinal say or another. They're just trying to figure out what the words actually mean. That's just what they do. So we can trust what those dictionaries say. He'd always told us this. And I'm like, okay, it makes sense to me. And so but then here he is trying to justify his doctrine by changing the definitions of some words. And I'm like, pointed it out to him, and he didn't like that. So he kicked me out, called me satanic. And he told all my friends, including the family that baptized us, or me, and that they can never see me again. They can't invite us to the Feast of Tabernacles anymore. We're not allowed to fellowship together. And this whole thing, we were drawn under the bus. He ended up telling lies about us to a number of, sent it out to all the brethren, making up lies, literally, about me and my family and some other people that were involved in some things that happened. And so this was like really a hard thing for me to deal with at the time. It's like, okay, we're outside of our fellowship now, and we have no one to meet with. What are we doing? Where do we go from here? And, I guess I'm probably getting a little ways away from this whole unity thing, but this is what I would see. Is like, is that people disagree with you and then you're out.
That's
like,
right.
Okay, well, why can't we just have an adult discussion about this? What's wrong with the discussion? I had tried to do that first before it got this bad, and let's just talk about this. I see this, you see this. I can agree to disagree with you. That's fine. He's like, no, agreeing to disagree is a satanic concept. I'm like, whoa, then what's left?
Wow, I guess we could just toss out the entire or a good portion of the New Testament then, because that's how Paul's writing over and over and over again all these churches.
Right. Yeah.
Unity. Yeah. I mean, sorry, go ahead.
You can unity as long as they all disagree with me.
Yeah, right. Exactly. What kind of unity is that? That's called a dictatorship, I believe, is what that is.
Right.
But that's how exactly you nailed it. I mean, you hit it on the head. That is exactly, over through time, that is how we wound up with 40,000 plus denominations and counting.